All right, so I finished cutting this, but I forgot to remove this piece and this piece when I cut the clear, so I had to cut that again. And yeah, this sign turned out to be huge, right? Like I thought this was like all micro. Like no, it's like it's very visible, but that's all right. It looks really cool. Okay, so let's see. I cut this out of acrylic, cut the front piece out of wood, cut the back piece out of wood. Okay, the back piece has a hanger. So I guess I'll show you here. Whoops. There I am. So here we go. Okay, right? Like huge. Let me maybe change my there we go. Okay. Yeah, these things are big. And then the actual welcome sign. So at first I thought it was fun and satisfying to peel these things, but now I'm just annoyed by it. I wish there was a way to laser them and have like very little cleanup afterwards. Okay. So let's see. I think I got it. Yeah, upside down here. So yeah, there it is so far. Right, looking good. Cool. Got all its little holes there. Okay. So let's see. This guy goes on the front. Is that how that fits? Yeah, that looks about right. Cool. Not bad, right? Kind of fancy. Oh yeah, you can see all the little textures there from the circles. Uh, let me let me go to the bench cam and show you that. Okay, see all little circles there. Yeah, that's gonna look cool. Okay, so let's start putting this thing together, and we're gonna go to lap cam here because that's where I like to work. Okay, so I've got an ESP 8266 that'll go in here, right? That'll fit nicely. Okay, and then I got an LED strip. I guess we can go back to the bench cam for that. Okay, yeah, here it is. I already soldered on three little cables. Now, soldering cables onto the 4 millimeter strips is kind of hard. So, I might have a video just on that eventually because it is kind of a pain. Okay, first thing I want to do here is, uh, I guess I'll program this little chip. Okay, grab a cable. There it is. Let's see. I'll get this plugged in. There we go. Okay. And then we'll go to our desktop. Looks like I've been doing this all day. I don't exactly do my videos in order. Whatever. Okay, close that. Let's see. So, yeah, we go to install.wled.me, right? So this is the website I mentioned in an earlier video. And then I go to the new V2 installer. So install, right? install.wled.me. And then I go to the new installer here. Okay. And I hit install. And there's a little more that goes on here. Oh, no compatible devices. Let's see, I'm going to disconnect this, connect it again. There we go. Okay, cool. I hit connect. Oh, failed to open serial port. That's right, because I have Lightburn running. Okay, so take this. Uh, yeah, sure, I can save that change. That's fine. Okay, install. Select this, hit connect. There we go. And I want to install WLED. I want to install. All right. We'll give it a little bit here. And in the meantime, we'll start putting other things together. Let's go back to my face. Okay. So I gotta take this guy here, and no, this is the back one. I'm gonna place this out of the way. Okay. So I guess actually I could put both on at once here. So here they are, right? The welcome. And what I'll do, yeah, I'll just start putting it together. I'm going to use screws on this one. Make sure my circles are up and back, right? Okay. And let's go to the bench cam. Oh, first of all, let's celebrate a little bit. Hooray, it's complete. Okay, and I don't want to connect it to my network yet. I'll probably give it to somebody and let them connect it. So I'm going to skip all that. Okay, close all that. Cool. Okay, let's go to my lap cam here. All right, so this wood is 3 millimeters. Then that's 4.5 for the acrylic, and another 3 millimeters for the wood. So 6 plus 4.5 is 10.5. So I think I want 14 millimeter screws. I'll grab some of those. Let's see. I'll go to our face cam. Yeah, there you go. You can see my screws here. So the 14s are up here. They're all black. That's all right. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 3, 10. So I need 20 of these. There's a pile and a pile of washers. So if I need 20 screws, I need 40 washers and 20 nuts. There we go. I'm not going to make you watch me like screw in all these nuts. I'll just screw in most of them. And then do all that tedious work later. Okay. So let's get this lined up here. Okay. And let's see. I'm going to flip it to the pretty side. There we go. And so I take a screw, a washer. Oh. Okay, I had a little bit of chunk there. That's all right. This is all a prototype. There we go. That's through. And then I'm going to take a washer and a nut. And I'm pretty sure I can line these up all at once. There we go. And a little tight. Okay. Then I'm going to line the far ones up. So washer, nut. Nothing new over here. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, I'm also out of the right size of rivets. I used to have a bunch of 3 millimeter by 14 millimeter, and I no longer have those. I'm out of them. Oh, wrong size. Whatever, I'll just hand tighten these. I'll go back and tighten them later. Okay, there's those on. I'll grab this one also. And there we go. So using the washer every time. Putting this in. There we go. Yeah, that goes fast enough. Cool. That little blue light, that's the controller dangling by my foot. Guess we can get that out of the way. If there's anything else you guys want me to like show how to make, just let me know. I'm gonna tighten this a little bit. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna grab this hole over here, and then I'll probably get to building because I'm bored of putting these in. Probably doesn't make for a good video either. Maybe you'll watch me finish this. Goodness. The things I struggle with sometimes. There we go. Okay. Cool. Okay, this is close enough. Okay, now I'm going to unplug my controller here. We'll go back to the bench. Okay. And let's see. We have our LED strip with little pigtails. Okay. Oh, and all of our mounting hardware. So I've got 2 meters hooked up to this right now. And I'm going to shorten it eventually, but not yet. Okay, so let's take this guy. And this should be quite a bit shorter, I think. Should it? I don't know. Maybe I'll have it wrap around. No, I'll keep it really short. I'll keep it all tidy. Okay, so something like that short right there. All right, let's pull off all these. Whoops, I meant to twist that off. My bad. That's all right. I'll twist it later. Little off and then twist it. That way the strands don't go everywhere, and it's a nice compact wire bundle to stick through the holes. Okay. So what do we got here? We got ground. So I guess I need to put that over here. And I'm also not using a resistor, and that's on purpose with this. I know technically with NeoPixel strips you're supposed to, but with a 3.3 volt line, I haven't seen any issues yet with not using a resistor. So I'm going to press my luck yet again. There we go. Got that through. Okay. Let's dangle this, and I think we can go to lap cam for this. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Try to keep you guys updated with all the action. Perfect. Okay. And then we need a power cable to go into this. So here is a 10-foot power cable. Okay. With the head. Right here, I'm just going to chop the head off. Okay. And then expose just a little bit. Whoa. There we go. All right. Need some power out of this. Need some ground out of this. Cool. So now we have power and ground here. And let's not get tangled. Okay. And I'm all about that pre-tinning. There we go. Perfect. Now we take the controller here and red to 5 volts, black to ground. Actually, I'm going to shorten up the data line sticking out because that's sticking out quite a bit. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to do red to 5 volts, black to ground. That's solid. That's our 5 volts. And then we'll get that ground in there. Whoa. All right. So now that's all attached. I'm going to shorten up these lines a little bit. Okay. So let's look at a little pocket here. We got a little pocket. There it is on the back side. You can see it. Oh, right there. There's our pocket. Okay. So I'm just gonna stick that in there. And pull it down. There we go. Okay. And then power cable should come out just like that. And yeah, the LED strip should fit in here nicely. Cool. That's looking really good. Okay. So lift it up. Let's put some super glue on the first one. There we go. Let's see, we're going to set it down in there. I'm going to put some accelerator in there, and then really fast, make sure it's well pushed down. Okay. That's pretty good. Cool. Okay. And now I'm going to put a little super glue along the acrylic here. There we go. And then pull the strip kind of tight along it. And drop accelerator in there. There we go. Give it a second to cure. Okay, stuff that down. Let's see, let's get some more super glue along this line. Okay. I'm going to stuff it in with the use of tools. Okay, and then some accelerator. All right. Start rotating it here. And then I'm going after this corner. There we go. Okay. Then pulling it tight and putting some accelerator in. Perfect. Cool. Yeah, this is going real fast here. It's nice when it's just easy, flat areas to grab onto. So the whole way, I'm just going to go all out here. There we go. Believe in myself. We're stuffing all that in. Okay, and then run some accelerator through. We're running low on accelerator, but I think I have another like big jar of it coming from Amazon. Okay, so now we're getting close to the end. Okay. Oh no, never mind. We're not anywhere close to the end. What am I thinking? Okay. We're at the opposite corner of close to the end. I thought I was cruising. I am going pretty fast though. Okay. So you get that in here. I'm gonna pull it tight and down. Give this a second to cure. Cool. Okay. There we go. Now we're close to the end. Okay. So let's see. It comes to the controller about right here. So this will be the last pixel. So I'm going to cut it off right before the last usable pixel. That way it's easy to solder onto the next strip. Okay. Throw that to the side, and then we'll see. Run glue down the center here. Oh, I should have screwed it all in before I did this. That's all right. I'll just squeeze it. I was too busy trying to impress you people. Let's get that stuck in there. There we go. And then we'll run some accelerator. See, that's a little bit angled. It's all right. There we go. Straighten it out a little bit. Perfect. Cool. Oh, it's a little dry over here. There we go. That should be pretty good. Okay. Okay. That should work out, yeah. Okay. So let's see. What view should we go to here? Let's go to face. Okay. So, let's see. Oh, let's turn towards me. Let's turn it towards you guys here. And let's plug it in and see what happens. It shouldn't light up much, because we still have to mess with it in software. Okay, whoa. Actually, it does light up quite a bit so far. Wow. And that's just with 30 of the however many lights I put in here. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's fun to watch. Okay, let's see, what are we doing here? We need to get a tablet out. I should prepare better for these videos. There we go. Have everything ready. Okay. So I guess I'll place it on the bench. Okay. So I'm going to turn on my tablet here. And let's see, I'm going to open up Wi-Fi. And then I should see WLED on here somewhere. There we go, WLED. Okay. And the password is WLED1234 for those of you who haven't signed in already to one of these. Okay, I want to go to the controls, config, LED preferences. I'm not exactly sure how many LEDs are on here, but 30 stops right here. So I'm going to say I have about 90. I've got a 3 amp power supply on here, so I'm going to say I've got 27 milliamps available. Okay. Length, let's go with 90 and see if that works. Okay, let's save that. Okay, that's a lot more light. And let's see, we need 1, 2. Let's see, okay, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 more. So we go to LED preferences. And let's see, 90. So we have 103 lights on here. Okay, save. There we go. Now they're all lit up. Back. Okay. So let's go to the controls here. And let's make it blue. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's dim it down. I guess when I dim it down, you can actually see all the little textures of all these circles, which kind of makes it look neat. Okay. Wow, that's bright and pretty. Cool. Let's make it blue. Red. Goodness. Okay. And there we go. There's a lot of other effects we can do, but I guess I'll show it in the main camera. Oh, you can see all the whatevers. I need to wipe all those off. Need to get some Windex to clean all that. But yeah, there's a welcome sign here. And let's see if I can change the colors. Yeah, there's purple. Yeah, goodness, that's pretty fun. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these. If you have other ideas of signs or LED projects or whatever you want to do, let me know and I'll show you how to do it.